A new controversy is unfolding following the Grammy Awards, after Donald Trump threatened legal action against comedian Trevor Noah over a joke made during the live broadcast.
Song of the Year. Congratulations, Billie Eilish. Wow. That is a Grammy that every artist wants, almost as much as Trump wants Greenland. Which makes sense. I mean, because Epstein's island is gone, he needs a new one to hang out with Bill Clinton. So, I told you it's my last year. What are you going to do about it?
The remarks were delivered during the 68th Grammy Awards, which aired on CBS, where Noah was hosting the ceremony for the 6th consecutive year. While delivering his monologue, Noah joked about Trump and former President Bill Clinton in connection to the private island once owned by Jeffrey Epstein, an accused sex trafficker who died in federal custody in 2019. The comment drew laughter from the audience but triggered a sharp response from Trump just hours later. In an early morning post on Truth Social on February 2, Trump forcefully denied ever visiting Epstein's Little Street James Island in the U.S. Virgin Islands. He called Noah's remarks false and defamatory and warned that legal action could follow. Trump wrote that he had never been to Epstein's Island or anywhere near it, adding that he had never previously been accused of visiting the location, not even by what he referred to as the fake news media. He went on to personally insult Noah and said he was considering sending lawyers to sue the comedian. During the Grammy broadcast, Noah made the joke shortly after congratulating Billie Eilish on winning Song of the Year. He compared the value of the award to Trump's past interest in acquiring Greenland, then added that since Epstein's island was gone, Trump would need a new place to spend time with Bill Clinton. Noah followed the joke by telling the audience it was his final year hosting the Grammys and challenged critics by asking what they planned to do about it. Earlier in the show, Noah also made a separate jab at Trump, saying he believed in term limits and wanted to set an example by leaving when his time was up. The comments were met with applause from the crowd inside the Crypto.com arena in Los Angeles. Trump's legal threat comes amid a broader context of recent lawsuits involving major media organizations. In July, Paramount agreed to pay Trump $16 million to settle a lawsuit against CBS related to the editing of an interview with former Vice President Kamala Harris. In December 2024, ABC News agreed to contribute $15 million to Trump's future presidential library to settle a lawsuit over comments made by anchor George Stephanopoulos regarding the civil case brought against Trump by writer E. Jean Carroll. In his Truth Social post, Trump referenced those settlements, warning Noah to ask CBS and others how similar situations had worked out, and added that he was looking forward to the dispute. Noah's joke also came just days after the Justice Department released approximately 3 million additional pages of documents related to the Epstein investigation. The records mention several high-profile individuals, including Trump, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates, but do not provide evidence that Trump or Clinton ever visited Epstein's island. Despite that, Trump has previously accused Clinton and others of visiting Epstein's properties. However, a 2015 email from Epstein, released by the House Oversight Committee, stated explicitly that Clinton had never visited the island. Epstein owned 2 private islands in the U.S. Virgin Islands, Little Street James and Great Street James. Authorities say much of his alleged sex trafficking activity involving underage girls occurred at his compound on Little Street James. The Justice Department has withheld millions of additional documents from public release, citing privacy concerns for victims, the presence of explicit material involving child abuse, ongoing investigations, and legally protected communications. Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche recently rejected claims that the department was shielding powerful figures, stating that no individual, including President Trump, was protected. As of now, Trevor Noah has not publicly responded to Trump's legal threat. This story continues to develop, and further updates are expected as reactions and potential legal actions unfold.